Hi, this is Sue, and you're with Get Sold. Today I was absolutely having a mental exhaustion day that's been leading up for the last couple of days. So, my antidote is usually to find somewhere in nature to just connect with. Got thunderstorms going on, a little bit of rain, and it's very comforting. A few mosquitoes out. Well, they're not so comforting, but they're still nature. Almost unrelenting, but I guess that's how we have to clear stuff. I guess I'm learning the difference between clearing ancient stuff and what's going on now. Like, everybody is being faced with challenges, emotional stuff. More thunder's coming. Oh, yeah. Tiana Saya Hayatia Naya Sata Wa Ai Yatana Ayasa Yata Wa Yasananapa Ya Yasana Wa Ha Iana Taya Sawanana Pa Iala Wa Ya Ishanana Wa Iala Papa Ya Ta. I got this. In this time now, we must go within and go with nature. The energy support our growth. Allow yourself the breath, the space, the time, the heart to center again. It will be difficult ahead, but we are supporting you through it all. A messery.